So today we are going to learn about the consignment process. We already discussed what is the consignment process. Okay. So basically, sometime what happen, a company will dump the stock at their customer. Okay. Company will dump their stock at their customer, and whenever that customer supposed to be sell that particular product to their customer, then only they will charge to the then only they will charge to the customer. Okay, so it is nothing but the consignment process. Okay, so basically consignment, let's say any new product is launched in the market. At that time, companies also not know whether that product will be sale or not. So what will happen in this case? So company will find some their uh, key customer, okay, and dump the stock at their places. Okay, dump the stock at their places, and if invoice is done from their customer to their customer, then only they will charge for that particular material. Okay, so that we are going to learn. So in which consignment process there are four steps. One is the consignment fill up. So consignment fill up means we will keep the stock at the customer places. Okay, and for that purpose, movement type is 631 and schedule line category is E01. Okay, and we already learned the item category for is KPL. Okay, so let me go to the system and show you. Okay. So what I will do, I will create one sales order, and T code to create the sales order is VA01 that you know. Okay, so first of all, what we are doing, consignment fill. Okay, there are four steps in which consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment return, consignment pickup. Consignment fill means we are going to keep the stock at the customer place. Consignment issue means customer is able to sell their goods to their customer. Okay. Consignment return is whatever the material is remaining, those customer is not able to sell. That is supposed to be take the return, that is called as consignment return, and then consignment pickup. Final step is the consignment pickup. Okay, so let me create first consignment fill up. Okay, so for that purpose, order type is CF for the consignment fill up. So let's say sales organization ZHSO, distribution channel is ZH, and division is ZH. Okay, just go inside it. And my customer is, let's say, 100375, and my material is, let's say, 66. Okay. Now I will take the quantity of 10. I will dump the 10 quantity at the customer place. So before starting this, let me check the stock position for this material. Okay, as you know, to check the stock for that any particular material, we do have the T code MMB. MMB is the T code, so from which we can check the stock. So MMB is the T code to check the stock. Okay, and let's say my material is this. Okay, and my plant is, let's say, 0001. Okay, so I will check the take the plant 0001. Okay, if you observe this, the stock position is for the for 66 material is right now total this much stock is there. Okay, and out of which consignment customer consignment means it that is 30,000 stock is already at customer places. Okay, 30,000 stock is already at the customer places. So now what we will do, let me create one sales order, that is consignment fill up. So what quantity I supposed to be take? Let me take as a 100 quantity. Okay, I would like to keep the additional 100 stock to the customer place. Okay, and just what I said, the item category is KBL. Okay, and just double click on it. You go to the schedule line. Okay, and under the schedule line category is E0. Okay, schedule line category is E0, that I already mentioned here. Okay, schedule line category is E0. Now if you click on the procurement, so here movement type is 631, and I already told you movement type is 631 for the consignment fill up 631. Okay, so let me go to the sales order. Okay, and see. edit incompletion log. Let me check whether incompletion log is there or not. Okay, so document is complete, so no worry. Okay, now see here, what is the sales order? 20237. Okay, 20237. This is my sales order. 20237. This is my sales order. Okay, now I will create the delivery. So before that, just check the stock position. Okay, stock position is not changed because till now we not did the PGI. When we do the PGI, then only the it's supposed to be updated. Okay, now what I will do, I will create the delivery document. Okay, consignment fill up means I am going to post that document to the customer places. Okay, 20237, and my shipping point, let's say 0001. Okay, and check this. Okay, go to the picking, and what is my picking quantity? Here delivery quantity is 100, and here not yet picked. So let me put the 100. Okay, and just click on enter. Now fully pick. Okay, and let me check edit incompletion log. Okay, so everything is fine. Now let me create the PGA. Okay, so now this is my delivery 100818054. Okay, 800180554. So this is my delivery. Okay, so now what we did? So now we kept the stock to the customer place. Okay, now we will take the stock, that is 100 quantity at the customer place. So how we will check? So let me go to the stock position. Here earlier consignment customer consignment is 30,000. Let me refresh it. Now here 30,100. Why 100 is kept? Because we are additionally kept the 100 quantity at the customer places. Now this is nothing but the consignment fill up. Now next step is my consignment issue. Okay, so consignment issue process is still PJ. Then consignment issue means, let's say their customer is placed the order. Okay, for XYZ quantity. Let's say he placed the order for the 100 quantity. So now what I need to do? I need to do the consignment issue. Okay, so same steps. Same step is there. Okay, so what I need to do? Go to backslash and VL01N. Okay, now for the consignment, sorry, VL01. Okay, for the consignment fill up, the order type is CF, and you know, for the consignment issue, order type is CI. Okay, and just go inside it. Okay, and my customer is this one. Okay, and my let's say my material is 66, and my quantity is the 100. Okay, and just click on enter. Okay, now let me check edit incompletion log. Okay, so guys, before that I would like to say I would like to show one more thing. Backslash n PA03. What is our earlier sales order consignment fill up? 20237. Okay, 20237. Here observe one thing, where net value is there, net value is 0. Why net value is 0? Because we are just keeping the stock. Okay, we are just keeping the stock at the customer places. We are just keeping the stock at the customer places. So because of that, the net value is the 0. Now we are consignment issue means that customer is selling the goods to their customer. So it means that it is chargeable. So now what I will do, I will create the consignment issue sales order. Okay, consignment fill up is there, backslash n VA01. Okay, and that is CI. Okay, now sold to party, then material, same material. Now let's say order quantity, that is customer order quantity is 100, and just click on enter. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, go to the edit incompletion log. Okay, now let me create the delivery. Okay, to create the delivery, I am going to create the delivery, and same picking here. Here picking is not relevant for picking, because we already kept the stock at the customer places. Okay, so we no need to do the picking. Okay, 100 quantity we are already kept at the customer places, because of that it is not relevant for the picking. Okay, now let me do the PGI. Okay, so my 8001805. So this is my consignment issue. Consignment issue here. So what I will do here, 20237 is the sales order, and 800180. What is my bill? 5518055. So this is my delivery. Now, if you observe this sales order, okay, 20 \VA03 20238. Okay, let me correct 20238, because 37 is earlier one. Okay, now here we are consignment issue means the customer company customer and their customer is selling the goods, so it is chargeable. So because of that, here net value is there. Okay, because of that, their net value is there. And also, I mean, we have created the delivery here, 8001805. Now I will do the billing document. I will do the billing. So go to the /n VF01. Okay. So let me check the stock position now. One more thing. Okay, let me refresh it. Now again that 100 quantities removed. Why? Because customer is able to sell their goods to their customer. Because of that, it is 100 quantities removed. So only 30 quantities there. Let me create the invoice for that. Okay, so it is a chargeable. It has a value, because customers, company's customer is going to sell the goods. Okay, and save the details. Okay, save the details. Now my consignment issue is complete. Consignment issue process is done. Okay, here what is the billing document? 90039 39 802. Okay, 802. Okay, so this is the consignment issue. Now let's say customer is not able to sell the goods. Okay, now they want to take the return. Okay, they want to take the return. How it will happen? Okay, so for that purpose we have to create the consignment return. Okay, so let me go to the sales order \n VA01, and sales document for the consignment return is CONR. Okay, CONR is there. Now my customer is this one. My material is, let's say, 66, and quantity is the 100. Okay, and just click on enter. Okay, here order reason why we are going to take return. Let's say customer recommendation, and here billing block. I have to remove the billing block. Okay, and edit incompletion log. Let me check. Okay, no problem. Yeah, customer recommendation is there. Okay, and let me save this sales order. So what is the sales order? 174. 174 is the sales order. So alter, enter 17. Is it correct? Yeah, 174 is the return order, consignment return order. Okay, and here now I will do. I need to take the reverse. PGI reversal na. So go \n VL01N. My order is this. Ship to part is this, and go inside that. Okay. Now here post good receipt. It means that we are taking the reverse. Okay, we are going to take reverse. And here go to edit incompletion log. Okay, nothing is there, and just do the PGR. Okay. Now after once we do the PGR, just observe the stock. Okay, we are taking the return. Again that 100 quantities come back, because we are going to take on the PG R, post good receipt. It means that reversal. And after that, we have to be 6 2. Delivery is the 62848462. Okay. Now let me create the return. Okay, return invoice. So for that, TGR is done. The T code is VF01 N. Sorry, VF01. Okay, and this is my delivery. Okay, and see here 100 quantities there, and just save it. So we have created the 803. That is the billing now. 803 90039 803. This is my the invoice. Now check the stock position. What is the stock position? If you see that 100 is there, 100 is there because we have just taken the return. Now what we will do? We will, last step is the consignment pickup. It means that whatever the return quantity we have taken, that we have to be pick it. Okay, we have to be pick that quantity. So for that purpose, the sales document type is the CP. Okay, sales document type is the CP. So let me go to the sales order \n VA01. Now consignment pickup is there, so I have to take the CP. Okay, same. So inside it, my sold to party, my material, my quantity is the 100. Okay, and just click on enter. Plant is 0001. Okay, plant is 0001. If you double click on it, if you go to the schedule line category, so here schedule line category is F0. Here you can check schedule line category is the F0. And now I would like to check the movement type. So to check the movement type for the consignment pickup here, what is business process we are doing, that's supposed to become, that is consignment pickup. Go to the procurement, and here you can see the movement type 632. And I believe I mentioned the same here 632. Okay. Now what I need to do? Go to edit incompletion log. Okay, and here my document is complete, and let's save it. Okay, so my order is 6 4 times 0 175. Okay, 6 4 times 0 175. 6 4 times 0 175. Okay, and let me create the reversal, that is \n VL01N. Okay, so I have to be pick that material 175. Okay, and here it is not relevant for picking. Okay, and do the PGI. Okay, once did the PGI, what is my return delivery? 8463. 84 4 times 0 63. Okay, and check the stock status. Check the stock status. Now here 100 is there because we have taken back. So let's see whether customer consignment is 30,100. Now I have taken that I have taken that quantity, pick that quantity from the customer place to the my own place. Okay, so now here 30,000 is there. Okay, so whatever stock I kept at the customer place, that I have taken the return. Okay, so guys, this is the process of the consignment process. Any doubt?